I'm 100% the organizer. I'm 100% the organizer, like in every way, shape, or form. Well, would you want either of the 10 idiots organising a trip for you, firstly? I completely trust myself and back myself to like find a great location, a great price, great everything. I've got my spreadsheets now that I use every year. What I'll do is I'll get like the core group of people and we'll book. You just ask people who wants to come, who's a firm yes, who's ready to put a deposit down, get that set up, get your core group going, and then like whenever anyone else is ready to make a decision, then they're more than free and welcome to do so then, isn't it? As long as you're happy with like the core group of people that you're going with, which you should be anyway, like anyone who's a mountain friend is a mountain friend, right? Um, get that organized and the rest of it will just work itself out. And book in advance, by the way, so you've got time to do that.